If LeBron James gets injured, right, we will get thousands of inbound questions within a 10-minute span. And Finn immediately will start responding to all those questions as they come into real time, and it deflects everything for us. We're a fantasy sports company, and our customers are writing in a lot of the time about their entries, about withdrawals, deposits. We sit in that middle position of explaining the games, clearing confusion, and just clarifying the experience for the customers. Yeah, what makes us unique is the speed in which customers need assistance. A lot of things are happening in real time as they're following along the sports, and they need that answer right then and there. Everything was manual, everything was having to train agents. As volume went up, we had to onboard more agents, and we had to train those agents one by one and make sure that they're complying with everything. Finn complies every single time consistently with the regulations that we're facing. Just recently, we had a very outcome-friendly weekend where a lot of customers won their entries. We got probably 7,000 contacts within 2 days, just from people asking where their money is and what's the status on their withdrawal. And Finn is very successfully able to look back into our admin system, pull up that specific customer's profile, look at their recent withdrawals, tell the customer where the withdrawal is, what the status of it is, where it got sent if it was already processed, from what we prior would have had to do with agent manual intervention. We were able to deflect 80% of those tickets with Finn in a very meaningful way. The confidence in Finn comes from the data that we're seeing. Finn is resolving tickets and queries at 2 times the success rate that our normal workflows do. When you look at the numbers, like, you can't really deny what's happening. It allows us to use our resources more efficiently, especially during big surges where our agents are now able to get to those high value customers and create that curated experience for the customers that we really, really value. Comparing it to Zendesk, night and day, we'd write into Zendesk, we'd look for support, we'd look for help, especially on outages, and we wouldn't get responses at all. Coming over to Intercom, it's been great. The partnership that we have with Intercom has only gotten better as time has gone on. We're in a lot of beta testing features that we provide feedback to the product team on. And so it's a very good relationship. AI is just going to be a part of the entire customer experience, whether it's sales, whether it's marketing. AI is going to be able to understand the customer better than any human really will, because they're going to have the entire history of that customer. And through that, you're going to have the most curated experiences you can possibly have.